Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete download on Amazon Music using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Amazon Music app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on Library at the bottom of the screen. Now inside the library, tap on Download or Download it. So only the music saved on your iPhone. You can delete download in a few easy ways. Find the song you want to remove. Tap the three dot next to a song. From the menu, tap Remove Download or Delete from Device. The song will be removed from your phone, but it will stay in your library. Now, another way is to open the album or playlist you want to remove. At the top of the screen, tap the Downloaded button. Again, when you tap it, the check mark will disappear. This removes all downloaded songs from the album or playlist. Now another way, tap on Home at the bottom of the screen, then tap on Profile at the top left corner of the screen, then tap on Settings. Now scroll down and go to Storage or Downloaded Music. Tap Delete all downloads and confirm this clears all downloaded music from your iPhone in one step. And that's it. That's how to delete downloads on Amazon Music using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.